folks, I have a baritone to show you today, number 888. The back and sides are some beautiful curly walnut. This is from an estate sale one town over in the Dalles. Some nice big waves in there. In the top is Alaskan yellow cedar, which has all these cool stripes in it. This is the log we got off the beach at Camp Westwind. So it spent long enough on the beach that it's got, I think the blue and the stuff in it's like mineral streaks. And then Porterford cedar neck and walnut neck. And pistachio everything else, including some really cool pistachio binding that changes colors as it goes around. Yeah, the yellow cedar as a top wood, it's really precise. Like, I feel like this one really, it responds really quickly. So like every tiny little pick gets a corresponding sound. Really big dynamic range from really loud to soft. I love using this stuff. Yeah, this is a cool project. This customer wanted the 1.5 inch nut, a little wider nut length, width, and a little flatter neck than I'm used to, which is okay. It worked out great. There we go, 888. Cheers.